This is how to make this halftone pattern effect in Premiere Pro. So first, we need to create an adjustment layer. So go to the project panel, click on new item and select adjustment layer and then click on OK. Now drag the adjustment layer above the clips you want the effect on and make sure it matches the duration. Now to create this halftone pattern effect, you need to go to effects and then search checkerboard. Then apply the checkerboard effect under the obsolete folder to the adjustment layer. And with the layer selected, go to effects controls and set the size from to width and height sliders. And now simply set the width to 5 and the height to 5 as well. This will give us this pattern. Now to apply this to the video, you need to set the blending mode to overlay. And if you like, you can also change the color from white to black to get a different look. And we now got this halftone pattern. But to make the pattern more obvious, you can go to effects and then search unsharp mask and then apply the effect to the adjustment layer. And then in effects controls, you can simply increase the amount until you're happy with how it looks. You can also add some color to make it more stylish. Simply go to effects and then search tint and then apply the effect to the adjustment layer. And in effects controls, you can simply choose a different color for map black 2 and map white 2. And you might also need to decrease the amount to tint value a bit. This is the final result. To learn more about Premiere, click on the video on screen right now. Now see you there.